With the issue of 5 fishermen from Tamil Nadu being sentenced to death in Sri Lanka having turned into a major issue, the Chennai unit of AAP today hit the streets to agitate an NIS exclusive. The Aam Aadmi Party today was on hunger strike to ask the central government to take measures to bring back the 5 fishermen. About 75 AAP cadres took part in the hunger strike raising slogans. The Colombo High Court had earlier this month sentenced 5 on charges of drug smuggling. They have been arrested on a boat in the seas of northern Jaffna's Delpit Islet. The Indian fishermen claim that they have been falsely implicated.
There had been a continuous attack on Tamil fisher people by the Sri Lankan Navy and the Sri Lankan government. And as a climax of all this, the arrested 5 fishermen from Tamil Nadu from in 2011 November had been now awarded with a death sentence, which is a shock for all the Tamil people and the Indian citizens. And they are given an ultimatum of November 11th for appeal. And we are now pressurizing the national government of India to take a very quick action, and already it is late to make an approach through the court as well as through the political relationship and diplomatic relationship, and to pressurize the Sri Lankan government to release our fisher people. And the release should not be on the basis of forgiveness or as not looking them as criminals, because the Ministry of External Affairs had confirmed that they have done diligence, and according to which they are innocent people. We should see to it, the government of India should see to it that they are released completely by withdrawing the case on these 5 people. So we are now really pressurizing the government to make it fast. Until today, we are not hearing anything from the government of India in what is their course of action, and we are a bit concerned about this whole situation. See, we are left with just 3 days more for appeal, and after this we are going to discuss with our national leaders to take it up at the national level to have a direct pressure on the central government.
Powered by NNIS.